Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Newsbrowse News broadcast. According to Al Jazeera, a Tunisian court has sentenced Rached Ghannouchi, the prominent leader of the opposition Ennahdha party and former parliamentary speaker, to life in prison plus an additional 30 years. The ruling was handed down by the Tunis Court of First Instance on terrorism-related charges, specifically for forming a terrorist alliance in connection with the controversial secret apparatus case. Along with Ghannouchi, dozens of other defendants received lengthy sentences. 11 co-defendants were handed life sentences plus additional prison terms of up to 96 years, while 13 others received terms ranging from 10 to 48 years. The prosecution was initiated following complaints regarding the 2013 assassinations of leftist politicians Chokri Belaid and Mohamed Brahmi, who were outspoken critics of Ennahdha. Activists and lawyers accused the party's secret apparatus of orchestrating the killings and infiltrating state organs. Ennahdha has consistently denied all accusations, branding them as politically motivated. Ghannouchi, who was arrested in 2023, has faced a severe decline in his health while in custody, leading to calls from opposition groups for his immediate release. Tunisian authorities deny holding detainees on political grounds. On June 3rd, the Tokyo stock market reached a significant milestone as the Nikkei average stock price surpassed the 68,000-point mark for the first time during intraday trading. According to NHK, this surge was primarily fueled by strong investor interest in semiconductor-related stocks, driven by growing expectations for expanded demand in artificial intelligence (AI) technology. The momentum was further bolstered by the performance of the U.S. markets, where all three major New York stock indices reached record highs on the previous day. This global optimism created a ripple effect, encouraging robust buying activity among investors in Tokyo and pushing the index to its new intraday peak. According to a report by Ennahdha, South Korea holds its 9th local elections and parliamentary by-elections on Wednesday, June 3rd. Voters across the country will cast their ballots between 6 a.m. and 6:00 p.m. to elect local government heads, education superintendents, and local assembly members. In addition, 14 parliamentary seats are being filled through by-elections. According to preliminary data from the National Election Commission, approximately 44.65 million voters are eligible to participate, with results expected to be revealed early Thursday. Early voting held on May 29, 30 reached a record high turnout of 23.51% for local elections. South Korean media highlighted that this election is the first nationwide vote since President Lee Jae-myung was elected in 2020. According to a report by Ennahdha, the European Central Bank has revealed that gold has overtaken U.S. Treasuries to become the world's largest official reserve asset. By the end of 2025, gold's share of global official reserve assets climbed to 27%, surpassing the 22% share held by U.S. Treasuries. Other U.S. dollar-denominated assets accounted for 20%, while Euro reserve assets stood at 15%. The central bank report attributed the significant shift primarily to the valuation effects driven by the consecutive surges in international gold prices throughout 2024 and 2025. Despite gold prices reaching historic highs, central bank purchases remained robust in 2025. Despite gold prices reaching historic highs, central bank purchases remained robust in 2025. The European Central Bank noted that in the face of escalating geopolitical risks, central banks around the globe have continued to purchase gold to enhance the resilience of their balance sheets. This strategy not only serves to achieve asset diversification, but also acts as an effective hedge against rising global uncertainties and geopolitical tensions. According to Ennahdha, global alternative asset manager Blackstone has announced the final close of its third Asian private equity fund. Blackstone Capital Partners Asia Third, AGBCP Asia Third, at $13.1 billion. The oversubscribed fund exceeded its initial target of $10 billion, marking the firm's largest private equity fundraise in the Asia-Pacific region to date. This milestone final close more than doubles the capital raised for its predecessor vehicle. Joe Barada, global head of Blackstone Private Equity Strategies, highlighted the rapid growth of the Asia-Pacific region and the compelling opportunities it presents for large-scale investment. Over the past 24 months, Blackstone has been highly active in the region, particularly in India and Japan, investing over $7 billion across 12 transactions, including acquisitions such as NASA in India, TechnoPro in Japan, and Juno in South Korea. The firm also recorded 15 successful exits during the same period, including Ahar Housing Finance and Alanaman Pharmaceutical. Head of Asia for Blackstone Private Equity, Amy Dixit, emphasized that the firm's scale, local presence, and hands-on transformation strategies have been key drivers of its strong regional performance. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.